It's July 20th, 2025. Time to harvest garlic, or actually a little past time. Late again. Let's get to it. I've got garlic and onions growing together in this bed. The garlic's definitely ready, and some of the onions are too. Here's a garlic plant. It's all dried up on the bottom. That means it's ready for harvest. I like to use this spade so I don't break the top off. And that looks pretty nice. You can see the cloves are swollen up. When looking for signs of when your garlic's ready to harvest, look for about 3 or 4 dried up leaves on the bottom. These have actually gone a little past, and the whole stem is flopped over. This one's about perfect for harvest. Green on top, 2 or 3 brown leaves on the bottom. Now that's a little better. Usually, garlic is planted in the fall. I planted this as spring garlic back on March 9th. Better late than never. Here's a link to spring garlic planting. Now that's a nice looking garlic. Garlic has long been known for its medicinal properties, including anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. In many cultures, it was also believed to ward off evil spirits, disease, and vampires. And that's it. That's this year's garlic harvest. Not too bad. Some of them are pretty small, but they'll still keep away the vampires. I'll take these garlic bulbs. I'm not going to wash them. I'll just knock some of the dirt off. I'm going to put them in the shed and let them dry out. Let's go get some of those onions before it gets too hot. A lot of these onions didn't size up very good this year. I got hit with a hailstorm, really set things back. But anyway, when the stem flops over like that, your onion's pretty much done. Time to come out. We'll put these in the shed, dry them out, same as the garlic. Here's a nice onion, and the stem still stiff, standing up. We're going to leave that one, let it grow. That's pretty much it for that bed. Not too big. Better than nothing. We've got some more onions over here in this bed. I'm going to let them grow. And that middle bed too. Got a few hiding in here too, in this cabbage and lettuce. They're done. We've got some nice small onions I planted under this pear tree. These are just the leftovers I didn't have room for. I'm going to take these, use them as green onions. Pearl onions. A few more onions to pull, then this bed will be ready for fall planting. Thanks for your help today at the Windmill Garden. We'll get these onions and garlic over to the shed, get them dried and cured out. I'll see you next time.